Every single day, millions of McDonald's burgers are served. They are served all around the world. Wondered how it begins its journey? The journey starts hundreds of miles before the restaurant. Wait, this burger's journey doesn't start in the restaurant. Every burger starts with wheat. Millions of wheat plants are harvested to produce the flour used for burger buns. But wheat is only the beginning. For beef burgers, cattle are raised on carefully managed farms where nutrition, health, and veterinary care are monitored before the animals enter the food supply chain. The real transformation. Guess how many kilometers this beef may travel before reaching a restaurant?
Chicken burgers follow a similar journey. Chickens are raised under food safety regulations before being processed in specialized facilities. Burgers need much more than just meat.
Fresh vegetables like lettuce and onions are harvested. They are cooled quickly and prepared. This maintains freshness during transport. Even the smallest toppings follow strict quality checks. Freshness starts right here. The famous fries begin in potato fields, where specially selected potato varieties are grown for consistent size and texture. But burgers also need another key ingredient. Milk collected from dairy farms is transported under refrigeration to cheese factories, where it will be transformed into burger cheese slices. Even the pickles have their own story. Small cucumbers are harvested. They are sent to processing plants. There they are preserved with a vinegar-based brine. The famous burger sauce starts with simple ingredients too. One tiny pickle goes through an entire factory before reaching.
Tomatoes, herbs, spices, vinegar, and oils are sourced from different regions before being blended into signature sauces. Now all these ingredients begin one incredible journey.
After harvesting and initial preparation, refrigerated trucks transport meat, vegetables, dairy, and other ingredients to specialized factories for processing under strict food safety standards. The real magic starts inside these massive factories. As soon as the ingredients arrive, every shipment is inspected. Temperature, freshness, cleanliness, and documentation are checked before anything enters production. Only fresh vegetables are washed using filtered water and automated systems to remove dirt and prepare them for further processing. Now it's time to prepare the meat. The beef is trimmed, ground, and blended to meet strict specifications before being formed into uniform burger patties. Watch how thousands of patties are created every hour. Automated forming machines shape every patty to the same weight and size, ensuring consistency in every burger. But they're not cooked just yet. These machines can produce thousands of patties every hour. Meanwhile, wheat is milled into fine flour, which becomes the base for the soft burger buns. Next comes the secret behind fluffy buns.
Industrial mixers combine flour, water, yeast, sugar, salt, and other approved ingredients to create smooth dough for the buns. The buns are starting to take.
Fresh milk is pasteurized, processed into cheese, sliced into uniform squares, and packaged for distribution. Now let's make the famous burger sauce. Measured ingredients are blended in large food-grade mixing tanks. Every batch must pass quality checks before the sauce is tested and bottled for restaurant use.
Every ingredient is tested before moving forward.
Cucumbers are preserved in brine to become pickles, while potatoes are peeled, cut into fries, and prepared for freezing. Everything is almost ready, but one final test remains. Before ingredients leave the factory, samples are tested for quality, consistency, and food safety. Only approved batches move on to the next stage of production. The ingredients are now ready. Freshly formed burger patties enter a blast freezer, where extremely cold air rapidly freezes them. This locks in freshness. Now these frozen patties begin an incredible. Why freeze them so quickly? Robotic packaging machines automatically count, seal, and label every package with batch numbers and traceability codes. Every package can be traced back to its production batch. The packaged ingredients are stored inside giant temperature-controlled warehouses before being shipped across the country. It's time to load the trucks.
Refrigerated trucks maintain controlled temperatures while delivering ingredients to McDonald's distribution centers and restaurants. Thousands of restaurants receive deliveries every single day.
Without refrigerated trucks, none of this would be possible. At regional distribution centers, ingredients are sorted and prepared for delivery to individual restaurants. Now we're arriving at the restaurant. Early in the morning, refrigerated trucks deliver fresh ingredients directly to McDonald's restaurants. Inside the kitchen, the final transformation begins. Frozen patties stay in freezers, while vegetables, cheese, and sauces are stored in refrigerated units until they're needed. Now comes the most satisfying part. The burger is only minutes away. When a customer places an order, frozen patties are cooked on high-temperature commercial grills designed for speed and consistency. The smell is incredible. But we're not finished yet. At the same time, fresh buns are lightly toasted, giving them their golden color and soft texture. Everything is finally ready for assembly. Toasted buns, freshly cooked patties, cheese, pickles, onions, lettuce, and sauces come together at the assembly station to create the finished burger. Now comes everyone's favorite part. As the hot patty comes off the grill, a slice of cheese is placed on top, allowing the heat to melt it into a creamy layer. Now comes the signature layering. The toasted bun receives carefully measured portions of signature sauce to ensure every burger tastes consistent. Every ingredient has its exact position. Fresh onions, crisp pickles, and lettuce are added in a precise order for the perfect balance of flavor. The burger is almost complete. Finally, the cooked patty is placed onto the prepared bun, and the top bun completes the burger. Now it goes through one final inspection. Looks delicious. But one final check remains.
The finished burger is wrapped immediately to help retain heat before it's served.
But accuracy matters just as much as speed. Before leaving the kitchen, the order is checked to ensure the correct items are included. Only seconds remain before the customer receives it. Whether ordered at the counter, kiosk, mobile app, or drive-thru, the burger is prepared only after the order is confirmed. And now, the final destination. Just minutes after ordering, the burger reaches the customer, completing a journey that started on farms hundreds or even thousands of kilometers away. But have you ever seen what's inside? After days of farming, processing, and transportation, the journey ends in just one bite. Each layer has a purpose, from the toasted bun to the melted cheese, crisp vegetables, and juicy patty. Now let's look at the unbelievable numbers. Every day, McDonald's serves millions of customers across more than 100 countries, making it one of the world's largest restaurant chains. Imagine the scale of ingredients. Behind every burger is a massive network of farms, factories, warehouses, and delivery trucks working together around the clock. It's one of the most advanced food systems in the world.
Throughout the journey, ingredients are monitored through food safety programs, temperature control, and quality inspections before reaching restaurants. One final look before we finish.
Millions of burgers. One incredible journey. From a tiny wheat seed to a finished burger, every ingredient has traveled an incredible journey. But here's one last surprise. Farm, factory, distribution center, restaurant. In just a few minutes, you've seen a journey that actually takes days to complete. Now you know the complete story. The next time you enjoy a burger, remember, it began its journey long before it reached the restaurant.
Which factory process surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory documentaries. Subscribe for more amazing factory documentaries.